Hi, and welcome to the Mortgage Millennial Show. Over the past week or so, you've probably seen some pretty scary headlines, like young home buyers get no help from one of Trump's swift first moves. Trump reverses late Obama effort to help first-time home buyers. One of President Trump's first acts will cost homeowners millions of dollars. Now believe me, I'm not here to take sides on politics, but that all must sound pretty scary to someone who does not deal with this every day. So let me break down how this will actually affect you. If you already have a mortgage that you pay on, any kind of mortgage, including FHA, then no, your payment is absolutely not going up as a result of this executive order. Well, that's a great question. And the answer is it depends. If you're in process for a conventional, VA, USDA, or any other non-FHA program, you are completely unaffected by all of this. But if you are currently in process for an FHA loan, there's a good chance that you have been affected by this executive order from President Trump. If you are currently in process for an FHA loan, you've probably already been contacted by your lender about this. But if not, call them right away. Depending on when you started with your lender, all the estimates you have received may have been at the lower mortgage insurance rate. If they were, your lender is going to need to do a few things. First, your lender will have to process a change of circumstance. This means that you'll be sent a new loan estimate with new figures that you will need to sign off on. Second, your lender will need to confirm that you still qualify for the loan based on your new payment and debt-to-income ratio. And third, if you already had your closing disclosure and your rate has changed, you'll have to start a new 3-day waiting period before you can close after receiving an updated closing disclosure. If none of this has happened and you're in process for an FHA loan, call your lender now and make sure that you are still on schedule to close on time. Thanks for watching this first installment of the Mortgage Millennial. Please leave any questions or thoughts on our first episode in the comments below. And if you or anyone you know is looking for housing anywhere in Florida, be sure to give me a shout. Until next time.